This is Suraj Kumar Verma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am here to deliver some message and information about first and second semester of Polytechnic students. जनरली जो बुक होते हैं फर्स्ट और सेकंड सेमेस्टर का पॉलिटेक्निक स्टूडेंट का सारे ब्रांचेस का सेम होते हैं, मतलब वही फिजिक्स, वही केमिस्ट्री, वही मैथ, वही कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, ग्राफिक्स, इंजीनियरिंग, ड्राइंग और वर्कशॉप, फंडामेंटल ऑफ कंप्यूटर, आई थिंक सो इस सब चैप्टर किताब में रखा क्या होता है, यही रखा मतलब कि जो आप क्लास 10 में बेसिक पढ़े हुए हो वो उस चीज़ का फिर से एक रिव्यू किया जाता है और उसके बाद फिर क्लास 11th का थोड़ा सा स्टैंडर्ड बढ़ाया जाता है। फिजिक्स की बात करें या केमिस्ट्री की बात करें या मैथ की बात करें, ठीक है। एंड आई एम गोइंग टू रिव्यू विच इज गिवन बाय द गुमला प्रोटेक्ट। इधर देखा, I am going to review which is given by Gumla Polytechnic at the cost of 5,980. So here Ajay slide chain of box which is here, the books of automobile that you could see, you can see, or here the cloths or the dresses. There are 2 marks, there are 2 dresses or 1 brazier and one more thing, the practical cloths which protect. These all things have cost 5,980 रुपया. This is the book for automobile engineering. I gone free seat general. At the annual fee is 2,810 rupees. Only easy name. Bag has the cheapest quality of the almost the cost at the चालू कर दिया था और क्या बोलेंगे 500 होगा और क्या। There are 2 batches, 1 tie, 2 cloth होते हैं, ETA and manual, 1 for practical. This is one for the brazier. There are 3 batches. I think we have 3 batches. 2 for the dresses, 1 for the brazier. Here, as you can see, that there are 7 books which is given by the Gumla Polytechnic at the cost of previously I told you. Automobile, there are 7 books. I am gonna explain one by one. Okay. So this is for workshop. This communication skills means English, reading, writing, listening, and once more I forgetting. This is for mathematics. All the chapter that you had learned in the previous classes, means class 10 maths RS1, there's getting क्या बोलते हैं मिल रहा है. Like for example algebra, you had already learned. Trigonometry, geometry, vector, coordinate geometry. Here as you can see. Next one is engineering chemistry. Is the chemistry is combined with the class 6 to 10. All you had been learned in your previous classes, that it's gonna easy to you or for you. Here you can see atomic theory, electrochemistry, metal alloy, non-metal alloy, synthetic fiber, rubber, etc. There are so many content. There are so many topics. There are only 5 chapters, but have included isomer, electrophilia of valences, covalence that you had learned in your class 10th chemistry chapter 4. Name of the chapter name of the chapter is to be कार्बन, कोवैलेंसी, टेट्रावैलेंसी जो क्लास चैप्टर 3 में भी था उसको लेकर चैप्टर 4 में भी डिस्क्राइब किया गया है. ठीक है. दिस इज कॉन फिजिक्स. ये क्लास से 7, 8, 9, 10 कंबाइन टुगेदर है. ये भी कंबाइन टुगेदर है. all that you have learned in the past year. Electricity, service tension, mechanics, unused measurement, heat, light, velocity. The only few things that you has gone learn new for you is acquisition. Only few things. This one is क्या है? Engineering graphics. It's gonna practical for you. There are 9 chapters. Syllabus there are 9. Sorry 11 है, but content भी कितना है? Content 11 है. Basic element of drawings of the computer foundation. This side of the computer. There are this one 5 chapter only, but type of computer component of PC ये भी वही है जो आप स्टडी किए हुए हैं. ये उन्हीं के लिए जो स्टडी करते हैं, अदरवाइज नॉट. So let's enjoy the journey of the automobile. Let's move. Here this is my room where I used to sleep. Nowadays I also sleeping. And the place there are table, but here not, which is gone for some work outside of the room. I remember that the study table is gone for the painting of the outside of room. House.